Did you know a group of cicadas is called a chorus? Cicadas are the world's loudest insects, and out of the 11 species in the Rio Grande Valley, the giant cicada is the largest and loudest. The males vibrate special sound organs on their abdomens, called tymbals, to attract a mate. Giant cicadas are only found in southern Texas in the United States, making their chorus truly emblematic of our region.